Right now in Hadimba Devi temple, as you can see in the entrance. Beautiful weather. Loving it. Came today a bit early, that's why tourist is very less. The place is pretty serene and all.
शिलाजीत ले जाओ, शिलाजीत केसर भाई साहब, ओ भाई साहब केसर लोगे केसर।
People will ask for kesar and shilajit. Please don't take those. This is the famous Hadimba Devi temple. As you can see, this is the famous Hadimba Devi temple.
जय जय करो, जय जय प्रभु, सब लोग जय जय करो, जय जय।
মাথাটা চালটা উঠলো
This is the trail of Bihar in Hadimba Devi temple. This is Bihar Dungri. Check the serene location. These are all deodar trees. The atmosphere is scenic at its best. Come here early morning to avoid traffic. There are people here, but pretty less. Raindrops are falling down. This place is beautiful. This place is awesome. This place is too good. Too good, man. Loving it. Loving it. Absolutely sensational. Check the landscape. Check the weather. Check everything out here. Everything is mesmerizing. Please do come here as early as possible to see the maximum view. This is just behind Hadimba Devi temple, as you know. This place is majestic. 10 rupees ticket. Come here, sit here, relax. This is one of the best place to see. This is Himachal for you. Right now in Manali Mall, if you can see, snowfall has fallen today. Today is the last day I am going to vlog. From tomorrow I am going to just enjoy my trip. I am going to end my vlogging. There are plenty of tourists here. So I am going to end my vlog after today. So today is my last day of vlogging and my last day of this trip to Himachal. Hope you guys liked my videos. If you liked it, please do share, subscribe and like my channel. Do recommend what should I do to improve my channel as well. Okay, thank you everyone. This is the famous cafe 1986. This is the weather from the apartment where I am staying right now. Beautiful weather. Snowfall is happening in the upper side. Rotang Pass is closed today. Nawazuddin is shooting in Mall Road in Manali. What more do you expect? Temperature is in 1 or 2 degree right now. Thinking about going towards Old Manali again. Let's see. Nawaz is doing shooting here. As you can see, there is Nawazuddin Siddique. That is Nawaz. It's a rainy day here in Manali. Nawazuddin is shooting for the film Adbhoot. See the weather condition. Snowfall is happening right now and Nawaz is shooting also here. Standing here to see the shooting of Nawazuddin Siddique for his latest upcoming movie Adbhoot. Nawaz is shooting for his latest upcoming movie Adbhoot in Manali. Hi guys, right now I am going towards the Old Manali through these trail lines from Bihar, but it's raining. You can find the sound. It's raining beautifully, so I taken and halt here. beautiful place. Like I said, Manali is giving me chill vibes. I need to come here as soon as possible. Took a halt here in this beautiful climate. Loving it. What more do you expect, really? Nothing. That is the trail line. I need to go from there. Wearing raincoat, so let's see. But loving it. Loving the vibes, loving every bit of naturescape. Like I said, you need to come here. You need to come here to see this beauty of nature that God has given us. This is something we don't get often, right? So adore it, respect it, don't pollute this nature. Thank you. Going towards Old Manali through Vihar, and you can see the trail. It's raining right now. Beautiful atmosphere. Loving it. Going towards Old Manali. It's raining right now. Loving it. Enjoying it. This is something that I'll take to my home. Man, this is something different. The climate is different. Everything is just mesmerizing. See the trail. No person is there. Just me and this forest. Loving it, absolutely. It's raining right now. People are telling that snowfall is happening in Rohtang Pass right now. Wow, man, wow. Wow. What do you need? You need all this. You need all this. Thank you guys. We'll cover more. Okay, it's raining right now. I will try to cover you for you more. Stay tuned. This is the trail from New Manali to Old Manali. Loving it. Absolutely amazing, man. Found one more traveler around with me. So he's vlogging. Thanks, man, for vlogging on behalf of me. There is no sign of other people than us. It's raining. Temperature is going down. Loving it. This is the adventure you should do. These are all Devdaru trees. Devdaru trees are spread all over Manali. What I can find out, I think. Sorry, its name is Devdaru trees, right? See the plants, man. Pure oxygen, pure oxygen. This is the mystic climate what Himalayas do offer you. This is it. It was sunny yesterday. Today it is damn cold. I'm wearing 3 layers right now. Hi guys, right now reached Old Manali. This is Manu temple behind me, if you can see. Standing in a shed because it's raining. Can see snowfall there. Loving it, loving the weather. No people right now, it's raining. Came here. Gonna wait for some more time and then gonna straight back to Mal. Okay, bye. It's raining right now. I'm in the Manu temple of Old Manali.